Content creation is a multi-million dollars industry that so many people are not paying attention to. Unfortunately, most of our young ones spend times on the internet not knowing they can convert that same time they are spending on internet into money. So I want to show you how you can use Canva, a tool for design and for creating content. Canva is so sweet that both video content and picture content, you can create text content, any content you can just imagine you can do on Canva. So let me take you on a journey on the foundation of creating content with Canva, faceless content with Canva. Let's go. So I want to take you through the journey, like I said in my introduction. I want through the journey of creating content with Canva as a beginner. So first thing I will do is to launch my Canva application. If you don't have your own Canva application, you can drop and you want me to do a video on how to go about downloading and installing Canva on your phone or on your laptop, just drop a message on the comment section asking me to do a video. If I see so many people requesting for that, I'll do that video separately, but because of time, I don't want the video to be too long. I'll just launch my Canva straight. This is my Canva. So immediately you launch your Canva app, this is the platform, this is the interface you're going to see. So I will take you through all of the icons that I can see within the shortest period of time. So at the bottom here you have the home. The home is wherever you are. Maybe you are designing, you want to go back to the beginning, the home page, that's where you will click on. And the next we have is the project. The project is the icon that accommodates, that shows all the projects you've done, all the designs you've done in the past. But for beginner, you won't see anything on your project. But because I've done so many projects, I have a lot of designs on my project. So followed by the plus sign. The plus sign is the plain option. If you want to start from beginning, if you want to start a new project, you click on that. So let me close that because I'm still taking you through the icon. So followed by the template. So the template icon is an icon that you click on to see different templates that Canva has created for beginners. Probably you've not done design before, you don't know anything about creating motion videos and anything like that, motion content like that, faceless motion content. So all you need to do is to click on this, edit what they have created, maybe just add your words, add your songs and things like that. So the templates are there already, you don't need to do much. So the last option here is the pro, for those that want to pay or for those that have paid, where you see more about the pro option. So let's go back to the home. So at the top left hand side of the screen, you see three dots. If you click on the three dots, it has some other options. It has the home, same one at the bottom. It has brand. So the brand option, it's an advanced option. I won't talk about it now. But those that have a brand and you want to open a brand for your brand on Canva, where you have the color of your brand, every other thing, your logo, blah blah blah. So the option app is, there are other apps that are affiliated, that are connected to Canva, that you can do stuff from. You can do stuff on from Canva, like voiceover and some other things like that. There are apps like that. So Dreamland, I've not used it before and I don't know what exactly it's about. So Ask Canva is just if you want to make your inquiry on Canva. Trash if you want to delete. So recent designs and the designs I've worked on lately. So that's just the interface on Canva. So why the search option is, you want to search for something and you type whatever you want to search for on that. So these other icons, Instagram posts, your story, social media, they are just icon that when you click, it will give you the exact size of design for this platform. Like, YouTube size is different from Instagram size. So Instagram post the same size, if you click on it, it's going to give you more or less like a Canva, a plain sheet of that same size that you can design with. So let's go for a beginner. What do you need to do? Click on the plus sign in the middle. When you click on the plus sign in the middle, you can type whatever you want here. You can type motivational quotes in this search engine and it'll bring out motivational quotes. So let's do that. And we can also do it here by typing search your content. We can type motivational quote there also, but let's just go through the plus sign. So we type motivational quotes. We can decide now. The reason why I want us to go through the plus sign is this: you can choose which of the social media platform you want to post on, or what kind of platform or what kind of post you want to post. Is it your story? Is it your reels? So let me pick Instagram reels. So Instagram reels, load. So all of the videos on this platform, on this Instagram reels, they are all of the templates on this page, their sizes of their all of the templates on this page, their Instagram reels size. They have been configured for Instagram reels. So example, let me choose one of them. Let me choose the first one. So all I need to do for this first one is this: the video is ready. I just want to change the text because I'm still new on Canva. I don't want to do much. All I need to do is to come to the text. See, it's playing. So let me say I just want to change the text. Let me just pause my video. Let me pause my video. Let me click in between. So the rain. So let me write inside of it: beautiful rain. That's what I changed. Yours might be something else. You might have something else you want to put. So I'm just using this as an example. So beautiful rain. So I'll click outside of it. So if I play this, you see, will show beautiful rain. It was not beautiful rain they wrote on theirs, but I've written beautiful rain on it. So I can still adjust this beautiful rain that I've just written. It's scattered. It's not beautiful. FUL is beneath. So how can I do that? I'll come back on this. So two things I can do. I can expand. You want to expand your text. So you click on these two lines beside each other in the middle of your square. So if you click on it, you see the UL has fit into the line. So if I also want to reduce the size of the text, I can as well click on any of the four corners, the dots at the four edge of the square, and drag it in with your hand, with your finger. So he is staying in between where I want it to stay now. So if I just click on it, so it's showing beautiful rain. So you can do exactly the same thing to all of the text on your screen. If I want to click even after the heaviest thunderstorm, I will click on it. If I want to change the text, I will change the text. Same if I want to click on this, I'll click on it. If I want to change the text, I'll change the text. You understand? So if I want to click on under the change the text the same way. So with this, you can start creating content even if you have zero idea about graphics design or creating cinematic faceless videos like this. So let me take you to how you can create image. This is video, image, content, probably a quote also. So let's go back to our home. So we are back in our home. So we click on our plus again. So let me write motivational quotes image, because the other one was video. So I just want to so let me click on motivational quotes social media. So it's bringing up different image. The other time he brought that video because that was what I've put there before. I requested for video before, so it just automatically felt I was asking for a video. So but now I specifically told Canva that all I want is image, not video. You see that everything is bringing up for me. It's not they're not videos, they're image. So, and also if you see pro, that means those images are for people that have paid for the subscription. I have, but because of this training, I'm not going to use pro, so that you might see any of the examples I use and you want to try them also. So you see some of this one that does not have pro, they are the one that we want to use. So let me click on this. So this says today is the opportunity to build the tomorrow you want. So if I want to change the text, also the same thing, I'll just come on this, I'll click on this, I love my life. I love my life. Any enemies gets lost. So let's assume this is my own quote. I'm just using this as an example. So this is my own quote. If I want to change this to my Instagram handle or whatsoever handle, I can change. If I want to change it to my name, I can change it. So this is ready for your content. So you can create content from day till Sunday, 7 days, Monday to Sunday, without thinking about what you want to create. You can come here and create content. Just look for the quotes, just look for your encouragement, just look for your Bible passage if that's what you want. Just look for a trending topic that you want to talk about with your content. Come here and you're ready to start creating content without stress. So that's the foundation, that's the introduction on how you can create content with Canva. So watch out on this platform. I also drop content on advanced editing on Canva, how you can do more customizing on Canva, beyond just changing the text on the videos and on the image you've designed. So after you finish with your design, you just click on this arrow facing down to download. So immediately it's going to save, the image is going to save in your gallery. So if I want to do the same with the video I used the other time as an example, let me come to project and pick the video. So this is the video. So if I want to download the video also, all I need to do is to click on this arrow facing up. It's going to ask me, do I want to download? If I click on download, it's going to save on my gallery. So that is where to start. That is the first thing you need to start playing around with, creating content with Canva, and we'll move to the next one when you finish watching and learning this. Thank you. Is it this very simple thing that you can do and build your social media platform and get to a stage where it is monetized? So thank you. Please like, comment, share, and ask any questions in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.